Was geht's, Leute? What's good, people? I don't even know if I have everything good. All right, bet. Hopefully, I can see. Let me know if you're typing. Tripping. I'm looking lower today. I am heavily, heavily bearish. No bullishness. Ain't looking for that. None of that today. Um, Trust me, what's hard is watching this happen. By the way, because I'm not gonna go on my funded accounts. I'm cool. I did what I needed to do, but I was looking at this initially, but I don't think we're gonna even come up here. I think we're gonna use this gap and then probably EO Fed. That's kind of what I want to see. I don't know why. Hold up. Spells be quicker. All right, cool. So again, obviously yesterday we had the reversal profile. Definitely attract people thinking that this is bullish. We're coming down here today. Should be there. Should be seen with some speed. So I don't know what the issue is. Why you? Because I can see the chat. Hold on. Give me 1 second. Give me 1 second. Give me 1 second. What's good, teacher? I'll be right back. I just need 1 second. Dude, that's weird. I don't know why I can't see your I just texted you, by the way. I don't know why I can't see your thing, because I can see that a chat or a message has been sent in there, but I can't it's 50-50. Yeah, well, I'm just happy to be here. Okay, cool. I don't know why I can't see your thing though. That's so weird. That's so weird. I don't know why it is. Because no one can see your chat messages right now. Yeah, it doesn't even say. That's so weird. I don't know why I can't see your thing. Do you have like a different? You have a different YouTube? Am I like blocked? I don't know. I didn't. I don't. That's so weird. I don't know. Anyway, I'm looking for lower prices. I'm not sure why it's doing that though. But that's just very. Oh, it's very weird. Turn this on a little. Some light in here. It's so weird. Why you can't? Yeah, is that? Yeah. I think you just said, yeah. How about now? Yeah, I can definitely see that. Yo, that other account might be shadow banned. Yo, I'm telling you, your other account might be shadow banned. I'm telling you, it's definitely shallow band. It's got to. Because there's no way. Now I can see it just fine. It's not, I know that's you though. Hold on, I'm gonna make you a moderator low key. Yeah, you can put users in timeout if they start acting crazy. Too much good sauce on the internet. I put you as a moderator, by the way. Um, I added you as that. But yeah, so we're looking for just lower prices. I don't think it's gonna even try to trade up to here. I want to see it drop. I want to see EO fed into this at market and then just drop. Great, great, great. So yeah, look, if y'all be acting up, he's gonna put you in timeout. He'll ban you. Don't be acting crazy on here. Don't be acting crazy. You'll get banned. So yeah, we got immediate rebounds. We do have this up here. Maybe it can try to reach up into here. Maybe it'll try to reach up into there. We'll see. We'll see about that. But yeah, you guys can all get banned in a second. In timeout. But yeah, so institutional order for entry, Joe. We do have this volume imbalance there, so maybe it wants to trade up into that. I usually like. Yeah, we got two civi. Yeah. What I'm thinking though, and again, you can take this swing. Obviously, can have to come up into here. But I just want to see this one get tagged. Yeah, I don't want to see that one. I want to see this one remain open like a breakaway gap. And come up into here. I'm looking at this as a market maker sell model here with original consolidation. And so this level I would expect it to trade up into. Yeah, if it's very weak, yeah, I don't want to see it trade up in the highest one. I just want to see it trade here. Like barely stick its head in right here. And then just run quickly. So we'll see what we get on the M5. We have about 5 minutes until the market opens, so I'll catch you there. Yeah, bro, your other account shadow ban, man. Your other account gotta be shadow ban. Yeah, it should just drop. I mean, ideally, I just want to see it run up in there. And then just tank. That's what I want to see. I just want to see that. I gotta look at the other one. Hold up. Yeah, so right here actually is the daily volume balance, low key, right here. Go to the daily chart. Right here. I'll just show it on there right now. I'll take it off when I get back. So that's the daily volume balance, the premium end of it. It's right there. So we may want to see if we want to tag up into that and see how that overlaps with this volume balance too. So good EO fed this. Hopefully it's not too weak. This was Dow. I wouldn't even expect to even try to attempt that. But I've realized that I need to start using more limit orders. I've been tweaking, doing market orders, and you don't get the best feels with that. And it's also BPR there too. It's good, Julian. Good morning. Good morning. Dubs in the chat for teacher. He had a nice sell. Dubs in the chat for teacher. Dubs. Nice sell. Big dubs. Big dubs. So again, we're looking for lower. Not looking for higher at all. So right there, that's ideally where I'd want to see her trade up to. Then I want to see my setup form. There's a volume imbalance right there. About 3 minutes. So back to our. So ideally, this is probably the first time I didn't mark out my midnight opening range for the current day. It's so close and it's consolidated. compared to yesterday. We didn't take out the lows down here and stuff. So I'm gonna leave it. Me, it just makes more sense instead of redoing it when it's the same lows. And it still works for the last 3 days, right? If we haven't taken those out, it would why would that not work then? So that's kind of how I see it. We have immediate, we have that right there. So again, I wouldn't even want to see trade up into that at all. The highest I'd want to see trades is that volume imbalance. And then we can break down from there. Perfect. Perfect. But I just want to see it dump. Run out all the way low this low. Take it here, but come all the way down there too. That's what I want to see. So like, I think that's a little bit less than 50% of the range. Yeah. So it could reach all the way up there. Remember, we have the daily volume imbalance. Pointed that part out. So thing is, like, I keep looking over there because there's this I wish I could show you guys. It has my thing and it says like everything is good, the stream is fine, and then there's flashes to something else and it flashes back, so it's very distracting. I want to see us run up there. We dump it. They may not give it to us. So I'm okay with being on the 1 minute time frame because I know what these levels are and I feel like they're pretty clear. But I have the higher time frame on another screen. I don't get lost in the sauce. So could come up in here. Remember the 5 minute gap overlaps, but weakness and then dumping. Could want to come up into this. That's a volume imbalance on the 5 minute chart. See what we get there. Get a rejection. Do we still try to trade up into here? Let's go to the 5 minute chart. See what we gets there. So we're trading down, trading up into this area, which was old buying. So we may want to trade up into there. I would ideally not want to see a trade up into there. I want to see that remain a breakaway gap. Look at the other two real quick. That's what I'd want to see happen. And if we can break down with like speed, showing displacement, take it down to the rejection block. That would be what I would want to see. Not yet. I think a pullback for continuation. I am too. I don't really want to see a trade up in this box over here. Are we? Are we now? We are. Crazy work. We are sitting there. Crazy work. See, I need to go back to doing that again where I have like at least an indicator that shows me that. I can't keep track of all that stuff. Yeah, I just saw the monthly chart right there. Monthly open. But yeah, I don't want to see, like, I personally don't want to see us trade up in at all. It can. I don't see it remain open because we have sell side liquidity pool there. That's what I just want to see. Yeah. Bodies are telling us something good. Again, we don't need to be the first ones in, right? People trying to rush into this. It's fine. We need to see displacement away. I mean, lower was obviously the was important and seen from this time frame, all just going down. But what you just don't want to be in Yeah. I mean, it's been the strongest one the last couple days. Well, it's the strongest one when we want to see it go lower, right? That's how it works, Julian. When we want to see it go lower, it's the strongest one. Yeah, I mean, this morning you have SMT with all of them actually. Let me show you real quick. Uh, at 8:30, get this relative high, or I think it's like 7. I'm sorry, relative highs here. So look at 7:15, swing high, higher, higher, lower. So we have that there as well with overall looking for lower prices, but see what it gives. Okay, so it came up 15 minutes. So there's the breaker. We would expect selling from there. So that's what I'm looking for. Need to see some displacement here. So this is a smooth market open. I mean, it's mixed, but not like it was before. I mean, Dow is obviously like just tanking. It's been doing that the whole week. ES is trading softer. I mean, this will eventually get in sync. We know that it's gonna eventually get in sync, but we just have to wait for it. Or I have to wait for it based on my model. That's the but we'll see what happens. There's no displacement yet. Displacement. Like this is displacement. Look at yesterday, we have time. That's displacement. The rig gap. So those are the things that I'm waiting for. So once I see displacement, that's continuous down close candles. That's good. This would be the order block if it can close below it. Right here. It's probably starting now. Yeah, Spoos is already breaking. So this should start coming in as well. But that's the order block that I would use. I need to see an FVG get created. Then your boy's in that mess. We in that for sure. So right now, looks like we got what I was looking for. We didn't trade up into that. Trade deep, but we didn't trade up into that exactly. This may not even give her a good enough entry run about the kid. It may just run. It may not give you a Tristan back up to that. I mean, the low end is here. But yeah, so breaker block here. That's what I'm looking for. But needs to offer that. No more red folder news on the day, but a whole bunch of Fed members. Are they? Did they add that in? If I opened the wrong thing. That's I'm not a fan of that. You remember last year when I was trading and I had no idea? Oh, they add them as yellow folders. See, I don't have any of those on. We can trade up into this level. It's open. I'll take it. Oh wait, I was like, what the heck? What's the wrong thing? They can do that. May not give it to me. Come on, bro. Return to the order block. Yeah, go to sleep. That's what I'm trying to say. This man needs to just go to bed. He's up at London, then now he's in it again. Teacher just needs to go to sleep. He needs to go to sleep. Hey, put him in timeout. No, I'm just kidding. That's crazy work. He said, "Yep, currently in shorts again." See, can he get us in? All right, bet. So now we'll look for that. That's the order block with the low end of the 15-minute gap. So that's what I'll be looking for. Let's see if we can start to get a little bit some trading down there. So Tom's a king. Send me the doing too much. See what we get there, man. Looking like that's a deep retracement. So we have my targets at. I think I might get stopped out here. So here's one target. Here. London. Low. Let's see. If it gets stopped out, we'll have to adjust and see if we take it again. It's going lower, so I'm gonna be sitting there waiting for that. If I get stopped out, that's fine. Do it again. Just dump it. So let's see what we get here. Down, 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 down. Might just have to re-enter. Might trade up into that gap again. Yeah. Okay, so got stopped. I should have got stopped out. There we go. So got stopped out there. May want to go up one more. It's okay. I'm shorting this again. This is not. I don't think it's going higher. Short it again. It's even better if it doesn't do that and then closes below this candle. I'll sell this again. This candle. We close below it. I'll sell it again immediately. So that'll be a mitigation block. The rejection block. I don't think I would have put my stop up there if I was entering. Let's see what we get. I mean, the other ones are dumping. This is how NQ has been like this the whole week for us. What did I trade with last time? Was it 3? Trade with 2 this time. $9.41. Trust me, I'm very happy I didn't trade with my live account. Very happy. Regardless, even if this still goes back down, regardless. There, so here's the macro time. So again, I still think this is gonna go lower. I'm just gonna wait. I'm not gonna sell right now. I think it's cap. Apparoni. It's cap. Gotta wait for it. Yeah, it's just sitting up here. I mean, Dow's dropping, and Q's and ES is dropping. So after that one, it's just I'm not trying to sit here and fight it. Just let it do it. Ideally, I don't want to see it trade up into this gap. Can see it. Can trade lower. Wish y'all could hear the y'all know the thing "Hold the Line." Y'all know that song. I'm listening to it right now. Down, 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 down. Still didn't take all that high, which is good. You might want to. Relative equal. And reject. Down. I swear this wasn't there before. Y'all ever seen that when you go back and you look at the chart and it has a gap there that was not there before, like when you're trading? A lot of this is wicking. I'm looking at the bodies. The wicks I could care less about. I'm watching the bodies right now. They're not saying that they want to go higher. Just holding right now. You have a market maker in here. You say that you just wait till I get the what am I gonna the stream deck. I'll be having some funny things. Like if it's close to my stop loss, it'd be like hold the line. You know what I'm saying? I'll put that on it. We may want to turtle soup that. Stream cells. Yeah, okay. Say less. Say less. Okay, teacher. I see. Says you got time. Probably need to wait for the next PO3 for more. Yeah. I just don't. I think this is all cap. I'm waiting for it to drop. Other ones are dropping, so this one's just holding. A holding pattern. Seems to be consistent for like the last couple of weeks, especially on Friday. I'm not gonna hold you. On the last Friday did the same thing. It was a holding pattern. And then Monday it dropped. While ES dropped and Dow dropped. It was the same thing. On the line. It's gotta wait. Then we know. Something off at the rejection block. Let's see if we get all the way there. Why I like this trade was because trade up into here, displace order block, low end of the 15-minute gap. That's why I took that. I thought it would do that. Could potentially still do that. At this point, I thought like it would have already done it. So I would expect it to do that. It's not doing that. So now I think it's, I'll say, time. So if we can close below this, now obviously we don't close below it, it pops back up there, and then that's also cool as well. But I just want to see it close below this candle, and then trade back up to it, or if it's in close proximity, I just take it there, down to there. Base, you just need to focus on the wick that closed inefficiency on the left. Yeah. What are you talking about? Which one did it first? What are you talking about? Over here? Is that the one you're talking about? Yeah, that one. Yeah, that's what I was waiting for. So when it did that, and this bigger, beefier bottom candle laying over top of the 5 minute imbalance, this at the low end of the 15-minute gap. Now, I just wouldn't have put my stop loss above there. I wouldn't have expected it to do. Yeah, this imbalance you're talking about right here. Yeah, this one at what, 845? Yeah, that one. I guess I would have never done that though. I would have never. I don't think that that's wrong, but I don't think I would have done that. I don't know if I would have put my stop loss above the that. I mean, obviously it wouldn't have got hit. Don't know if I would have done that. Yeah, it's just chilling right now. If it doesn't do anything, then oh, true. That is facts, by the way. Ain't lying about that. That is facts. True. It was possible. They want to come up there on that, then reject. But right now it's consolidating. Like it's not doing much. Yeah, right there. But I have noticed this has been a very, very consistent theme for Friday. It's the same. This looks like the same thing that happened Friday, last Friday. Yeah, 10 a.m. I think. Well, next on Sunday. On Sunday we go ahead. So I think it changes. I think 9 o'clock becomes the next 4 hour on Sunday. I think that's how it works. That's when it's dub skis. Uh, no, that doesn't change. I don't know why I thought it did. Oh, it's the time. Okay, I thought that changed. Yeah, maybe we do want to come up there, tap that before. Okay. Yeah, it looks like we do want to trade up and show that. Time is it right now? So it's the macro. There's also a itty there as well. Mitigation. But let's see. I still want to see this one get broken. As it starts to swing up. Not this one. What does it look like? I want to see EO fit. Okay. I'm just looking at ES right now. It up to its 15-minute order block. At the same time, this just stop ran this. So yeah, just kind of waiting right now. Not doing anything. This is the 15. We want to see it start to run with speed at this point, and we're doing the macro times. Yeah, so we're just waiting. I'll take this off. This is low end of lower gap. Mm-hmm. Yeah, I don't, because I couldn't have seen myself putting my stop loss of that. It would have gotten hit anyway. Maybe it wouldn't have still. So now I want to see this order block show resistance. What up, fellas? I'll be right back. Do I become a degenerate and start selling after right after NFP or no? Just kidding. Right at NFP. Start going. Do what people do. Right below. Right above. That might be my new trading model. Yeah, the NFP method. Yep. NFP method. This is what I'm gonna start doing. I'm just gonna sit right here. I might have got stopped out. I don't even know what people do. Maybe there. Maybe I would have got. Maybe I would have been good there, and then here, bro. Straight dubs. What are we talking about? Could have, could have taken something off, right? No, I felt like we would have done good there. Yeah, this is just holding right now. Like, come on, brother. That right there is a nice one. I almost want to try that and take it. I'm not going to though. I'll wait for it to break here. But I like that one. And see it just scream lower. But I'll wait. You saw a video last night how to pass your email. How to keep paying the funded companies. This is how you do it. Put your thing right below, put your thing right above, and let's just pray it doesn't go up above here and it just does what it's supposed to do. It's like, bro, there's really people that just really be doing that. And then they wonder why they can't keep a funded account. Because that's how they pass it. And so they think they're like, oh, okay, well, when they're down horrendous, then they try to do that again, and that's when it doesn't work. and they go reset the account. I can say like I've done a lot of, let's say, things that ICT said don't do, but that's one of the things I've never done. I've never full ported both sides to see what happens. I've never done that. I've done everything else, but not that. So that's at least I can hang my hat on that at least. But nah, that's just not it. Has anyone else here done that though? You can be honest. You can be honest. Hey, no one else wants to tell the truth, just me. Okay, all right, cool. Truth will set you free. It's okay. I'm free now. I'm free from that gambling mentality. Report these traders to ICT. Oh man, this was definitely the start of it. I mean, it's gonna drop now, so I'm gonna wait until it gets below this candle. I just can't stop it. Come on, bro. What's my stew, bro? What you doing? Hey man, it said, bro. Up to this point, Mako don't care no more. Telling you, bro. NQ, what's my stew, bro? Doing my stew yet? Yeah, Mako just really don't. Well, I should do what? The full port stuff? That what you talking about? The back and forth. I ain't doing that. That'll never happen. 10 a.m. Yeah, 10 a.m. high. Bring up into this gap. I really didn't want to see it trade up there. No cap. No cap, my boy. But stop run. Come on, bro. There was one time I gotta see if I can find that video. Hold up, I gotta find that video. There was a video I had recorded, and it was of me, and I was trading. What was I trading? There's been so many times where I was like degenerate when I was trading with the funded accounts back then. Like there was times where I was buying all three of them. Like I put like 200 lots, 200 lots, 200 lots, all three of the indices. I'm like, one of them's gotta like, one of them's got to go up at this point, right? And then what happened was I accidentally, so I bought like what did I buy? I bought gold. No, I bought, that's a whole nother story with gold, by the way. I bought NASDAQ, I bought ES, and I accidentally sold Dow, and Dow was the strongest one. So I couldn't figure out why I was losing so much money. I was like, why am I losing? I bought all of them. Accidentally sold Dow, the strongest one, and got hooked. Then there was another time I was trading gold, and this was on like one of the ones where you can have like 400,000, one of those ones, or maybe it was a $200,000 account. I can't remember which one it was, but I was selling gold, and I forgot to do the transition from the lot size stayed the same. So I was being a degenerate on one of these, and so then I just went over to gold. I was like, okay, gold's gonna do it. And I think I sold or bought or something. Immediately I was down 5K, like immediately. And I'm just staring at the chart. Like I'm talking, I'm like, yeah, I think I'm gonna go do this. Like we were on like a Discord chat, I think, with one of my friends. Immediately down 5K, and I'm just staring at the chart. My friend, I stopped talking. My friend's like, bro, you good? He's like, no answer. He's like, close the trade. He's like, close the trade, just close the trade. I'm just sitting there looking at it. I'm like, what did I just do? Yeah, so that's all the stuff that I came from in this trading stuff. I was doing all that stuff while learning ICT at the same time. And if you hear any of his videos, he says don't do that. That's what I was doing the entire time. I didn't stop. I was like, yeah, you know what? I'm gonna be different. Everyone else failed. I'm gonna be the one that doesn't do it that way. Didn't happen that way, unfortunately. Yeah, so that was my whole funded account journey. Bro, I'm telling you, yeah, that was me, man. The good thing is I had stop losses, so like I never traded without a stop loss. Nah, see, that's a whole different one. There's one time I traded without a stop loss. That was with Bitcoin. That's why I don't even trade it no more. Um, there's one time I traded without stop loss. That was being a gambler though. That was different though. I was up money and still lost. How do you do that though? How are you up so crazy and lose? But it's possible because I did it. So those were the days though, I can tell you that. Those were the days. Generate trading. Sometimes though, because the thing is like when you get that like that the good feeling from doing that, you're like, ooh, then you want to do it again. And then man, it's hard to get out of that. I can tell you that right now. It took me years to get out of that. Just like, F it, I'm just gonna just do this. Like I'm gonna just over leverage this whole thing, get everything back. It's so hard to get out of that when you do that. I'm telling you, it is the hardest thing to stop doing. Because even when I was demo trading, like I didn't know how much like most of this stuff was. So I would have like I'd have like $1 million accounts and I'd have like I don't know how much things. So like you would see me in a trade up $30,000 on a demo account. It's just like crazy stuff, man. Crazy, crazy work. So we've traded up into this one. This fair value gap here. And I'm still bearish. I ain't looking for no bullish nothing. No bullish nothing. So inside the macro. So we'll see what we're gonna be getting here. I mean, this would be the range. Bro, there's no way they leave these lows like this. Oh, shots. No way they leave these lows like, I mean, they can. No shot, bro. Classic bull flag. Above highs. Classic bull flag. I'll take this off here. It's off too. Bias liquidity off too. It's the macro time. This gap. OTE. Above equal highs. In the macro, let's see if we can get some movement. That's what I'm looking at. So we'll see where we're in if we get some rejection from there. I mean, it did the same thing last Friday. Let me not hold you on that one. Last Friday, same thing. Just consolidated, went lower, consolidated to higher, and then gapped down. I'm like, what are we doing here? What are we doing? But yeah. Don't do all the stories I just said, don't do. Trust me. If you've done them, you know what I'm talking about. Oh yeah, yeah. It's what we call Italian. I think it's spazzatura. Trash, trash. Short it. Oh, look at this, yo. Bro. Y'all see him? Yo, he needs to get banned. Yo, someone needs to ban him. Someone needs to ban him. Yo, crazy work. I don't think there's anything wrong with shorting it. He said load. Oh, it's loading. I gotta wait for a fair value gap. I mean, it did trade into a mitigation block, so technically I could sell it up there. But uh, yo, we got a market maker in here, guys. We literally have a market maker. Y'all see this? You see how he said short? It started moving. Yo, someone gotta investigate him. Investigate this man. Somebody do it. I gotta see it trade into a fair value gap though. Why does it don't look frozen? Am I tripping? He is the one ICC top. Look at that. See, yo, I'm telling y'all, we got a market maker in here. Got a market maker in here. See how you said short it? Look what it did. See, I want to see a fair value gap get created, and then I'll take the trade. He said timestamps. uh no, I know. I see you said focus on the shorts. Yeah, I mean, this up here, yeah, it's a breaker. I mean, it's a mitigation block inside that. I just like fair value gaps, and then called it out. We have a market maker in the chat, guys. We have a market maker in here. Somebody get him. Somebody get him. I mean, I'm like, there's no way they're leaving these lows in here, by the way. There's no shot. If we get trade up into this, I'll take that. That's my model. No. We are not his liquidity. Let's not hype him up like that. You know, just hype him up. No, we ain't doing that. No, I'm just kidding. We ain't let him get away like that. Not that easy. Do the following. Oh, here we go. Hold up. We can trade up in there. And we out. Then we'll look for our normal stuff. Don't go all the way down there, my boy. Stop loss. We're gonna put it above there. It's okay. Dump it. So it's above this. OTE. Comes back up to the bodies again. Just gonna just let it go. We'll just let it go. I'm looking for yesterday's low though. Not yesterday's low, I'm tripping. Wednesday. This is the order block. 15-minute. We'll see. Bro, what are we doing? Yo. We literally have the market maker in here. Why you what? What, bro? What's going on here, man? Yeah, I got one more try after this one. I only have 3. Bro, they're just holding this joint right now. Ich bin sehr lustig because I'm not using my funded account today, which I decided on Wednesday. I'm not putting my stop loss above there. That would not happen. Way, way too deep. Two times. Zwei. Let's see. It like doesn't want to go lower right now. Ran through this gap, came down here. Nine Danka, Buddha. Andaika. Anybody here speaks German? Yeah, it's holding. This is 1,000% holding right now. This is exactly what it did last Friday. Same thing. Look at it. And I was hot last Friday. Like I'm telling you, I was like, why is this doing this? Holding. What are we doing? And then gap down. I was like, bruh. So that easily should have dumped. It should not have done that. Oh, you speak a little bit? Ein bisschen. Now we are at equilibrium on the previous 4-hour candle range. Yeah, mitigation blockade. We already hit that though. When did we hit this? We already hit that. Yeah, it's holding. That candle itself is trading range on top from. Ah, I see what you mean. Yeah, I personally would not have expected it to be as high as it is right now. With this, then this, then this. This is efficiently traded, and now we're like side of this. Trust me, I'd be sick right now. If I was trading on my fund account right now, I'd be sick. Like, why is it not dropping? Fridays might be my chill day where I'll do nothing. I will not trade on Fridays. Because I'm 0-2 on Fridays right now. Or in the last 2 weeks. I think even before that. But look at this though. It's like I'm scanning in the Sam's Club right now. That's my membership number. Tony, what's your favorite word in German? Auf Deutsch. Oh, do you know hold up, I'm trying to figure out. Let's see. This is Cat, by the way. Just punishing those that want to sell short, but not really giving anything to really anyone that wants to go long though. Like there's no shot I would have been like, yeah, let me buy this right here. Have it? You don't have one, Tony? Oh no, man. The one word they try to have me say when I first got there was squirrel. Do you know that one? Do you know the word for squirrel? Short. Yeah. He's trying to get me back into my degenerate days where I was like, nah, it has to do this. I'm just gonna keep pressing it. Like I got one more, but he's really trying to get me back in those days where I say F it 10, let's go. 10, let's go, do it right now. I keep seeing the memes that you be posting where it's like dump it. That one. Is a green go. He, this is what I'm saying. He is the market maker. He's telling us to short it as he's buying. Kidding. But The one for squirrel is like Eichhörnchen. That's squirrel in German. And then like Pommes Klein, Pommes Gross. He said I need the exit liquidity. He said the market paradigm. That's the shift I'm trying to teach you guys. You guys short, I buy. Yeah, this is a heart attack right now. I'm glad I closed up shop Wednesday. This is just niche good, Bruda. Literally, it. That's what I was trying to say. This is literally like you may win a prize when you scan this barcode. You may win that. For real though. You just should have just taken a nap. Bro, there's been times where I've just been like, this wasn't even worth it. It wasn't even worth like getting up and like sitting out here like I waited for this. Nah, nine Danka. I'm telling you right now, I would be heated right now. Like if I was trading on those accounts right now, I would be so mad. And y'all would probably see it my face. I'd just be sitting here with no emotion. You said woke up at 6 a.m. for this. Yeah, it's like, yeah, this whole thing, man. The crap, yeah. I'm with you on that one. But like, yeah, y'all would have seen me hot right now. I'd have been like, all right, guys, I'm hop off stream. And then the degenerate side would have started to try to come back. Let y'all know that right now. I'd be like, nah, I'm about to make this back. He's from the west side, west coast. West Coast. From east side. East side. That's where I'm from. Throw it up. East side. This is ridiculous right now. Oh, you know what Loki could be waiting for though? Could be low key waiting for like 12 drop. This daily volume imbalance, bro. Like, can we just get out of this range, please? I don't even care if you go up higher. Let's just get out of this. Like, look at this. This is why it's been hard. Like, look at this. This is a daily chart. Volume imbalance there, and we're just like nothing. We're not doing anything. Nine Donka. Yeah, I'm gonna just stay on here until like 10:30. At this point, like it ain't even worth it. Just do it. Y'all know that one. Just do it. So happy, right? Trust me. The boy is elated. This is OD. This should have dropped already. Been gone. You said wait for the spoos to take out the 930 high. I ain't trading nothing today. Like I'm like there was nothing live today ever gonna happen. Not at all. Nope. It just took out the 930 high. Not gonna trade anything today. These were all. I mean, if I was live trading, I would have taken all of these trades. I'm not saying I wouldn't have done that. What made me not trade any accounts today? Well, what I made 2% in one day, and I was like, you know what? I'm good. Like, I'm right now. I'm trying to focus on when being content with enough. So on Wednesday, after I finished trading, yesterday I knew I wasn't gonna trade live, and then today I knew I wasn't gonna trade live. I already knew that going into the 2 days. So I'm just trying to learn how to say, okay, this is enough, and stop trading. Before I couldn't do that. So yeah, I'm trying to build the discipline to do that because again, I'm still very early on in the being consistent in that area. Because I never knew like when to stop. So I wanted to gotta change that aspect. And so that's why I knew that the next 2 days, regardless of what happened, this could have went here and did this and went all the way down there. I wouldn't have felt bad. Wouldn't have felt bad if this same thing just I wouldn't have changed anything. And just looking at it now, am I happy I followed that? 100%. 100%. Yeah, yeah. This is where ICT just yeah, he just goes off on. Yep. 830 high. Yeah, this one right here. The data high. Like this just looks like it looks like a heart attack, but it looks like it's just what am I trying to say? Protraction, almost like I think there was a different day where it did that. I think on the 5 minute chart. It was it. Might have been last week. I don't know, but to me, this doesn't look like a low. But again, like it just keeps coming down to the daily higher time frame levels at the bottom, and we keep bouncing. Like we can't break it. I don't know why it's doing that. I don't know why it's holding. That's why it made me like want to look at let's just check it out right now. Aussie, Aussie, Aussie. I don't know which one has the. Let's see. Because on this one you have to kind of trade. Our brother he loves uh odd USD. Like this is his thing. This thing could be in a 2 pip range. He'll still trade it. Just loves it. I mean, this is why. I mean, like, look at this though. This is even Wednesday. Like, bro, what? This looks awful. It looks even worse. No, no, that's not moving, bro. What else is moving? Oh, isn't it? What's euro? Isn't it six? Isn't it 6E? Yeah, it is. Yeah, gold is, but we can't trade it. 6E1. Yeah, we can't even trade it though. Okay, this is looking slightly better. Like it's giving some ranges here. That's awful. One day. Monday, Tuesday, trade up inside the range. But I ain't gonna be up at this. Y'all feel like what's this week right here? Where was I looking? Tripping. So here's Monday, Tuesday. Wednesday. Does anyone know when there was news on Euro? I only have USD since I don't trade this stuff no more. This doesn't. I mean, this doesn't. This doesn't even look good. 6B. See what we're looking at here, bro. What's moving? What is actually moving? This is like why is none of? I mean, I understand what obviously the economic climate, but still, like nothing is moving. This looks worse. Imagine trying to do this. Isn't that oil? But can't you not trade that too? Yeah, oil. Aren't you not allowed to trade that either? Oh yeah, of course. Yeah. Well, this looks great. One Direction. See, look. Okay, so yeah, remember on Wednesday? This is how Wednesday looked to me, just like this. This whole pattern here. That's how Wednesday looked to me. Like so clean. One Direction. That's why I took it that day. Look, so clean. That right there. I'm not gonna hold you though, but this stuff all looks like I think I'd rather stay on this. Just looking at those, I think I'm probably still gonna stay here because that's crazy. Yeah, the weekend open. Did you trade that? But yeah, this is nine Donka. This is not it. Some from 55. You can still trade it though? I thought they closed it. Or was it just gold and silver? I thought you couldn't trade um live on oil. This daily volume imbalance, I'm not gonna hold you. Like that's also annoying. Right here. We just cannot break it. Can't do it. We just trade down into it again. Can't go anywhere. Again, can't go anywhere. Again, can't go anywhere. Again, can't. It's just like the same thing. Here, there, here, here went a little bit lower. All the way back there, man. This is OD right now. This is OD. Guess it wants to go higher. So, you know, we'll see. It's 10:31. I'm gonna hop off. I got some things I need to do. Definitely chat with the boys in the Discord. Y'all have, y'all want to talk up in there. I'm down with that. Yeah, so 2 trades, 2 L's. Just trading higher. Why? I don't know. Don't know. But we'll see what we're getting here rest of the day. But I'll put like a little picture in there. Let me do it. Let me just take a picture now, actually. I want to see if we get it like around 12 o'clock. I'm not going to trade again, but I just want to see what happens around that time. That's what I would look for. But this is ridiculous, in my opinion. It dropped. All right, guys. I'll catch you guys on Monday. Catch you guys on Monday in the morning session. I don't even know. Actually, let me just peep, actually, low key. No, man. No. Yeah, I'm going to take a nap. I'm telling you, sometimes it just be like that. You're just like, bro, like, what is this? So we got CPI on Wednesday. All right, cooling. So we'll see. Yeah, this is wild. I might take a nap too. This was, hey, yeah, hey, no, Julian, shout out to you, man. You woke up to see Dewey. We have CPI. Okay, this is a question I want to ask you guys. Have you guys seen CPI? It's a Costco show. Yeah, you did wake up early to see Costco chicken, bro. I'm telling you, the barcode for it, you can scan it right now. Scan the QR code, and you guys, yeah, that's how it feels right now. Have you guys ever seen CPI or PPI and FOMC on the same day? I feel like they just recently started doing that. Maybe I could be tripping though. Have y'all seen that before? I felt like it was just usually FOMC and then PPI or CPI on their own day. I thought CPI they were, yeah, the same week, not the same day. Okay, yeah, that's what I thought. I feel like they started doing that recently because I saw that before too, where I was like, why would they do that? Yeah, usually like Thursday. I thought CPI was usually Thursday or something like that. But I've started to notice that recently that they've been doing that. But next time we have Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday CPI, unemployment claims, and then we have 8:30 and then 10 a.m. So Monday, Tuesday, be looking for some trades. Wednesday after, obviously CPI. Yeah, CPI is mostly Wednesdays. I feel like last month, I could be wrong. Let me just peep. I swear last month they had it on Thursday or something. And I was tripping. No, maybe they didn't. No, I don't know. They just be throwing stuff in there though. I also think though too, I hate when they move it, by the way. Like there's been times where I've looked at the what is it, the thing, and they just start moving it. Yeah, that was right. I forgot about that. Forgot about that. The shutdown. Oh, I'm on the wrong week. I'm like, why does it say that? Yeah. Honestly, it low key could be because all these FOMC members speak. What the, I don't know. It is what it is, but I'm happy that I didn't take actual trade, so I'm happy regardless. Sorry, I put down on the yellow folders, but I don't think I'm gonna just keep that off. I usually just have the orange and the Aber remembers last year when I was trading ahead of a Trump speech that I had no idea was there. I was so sick. I didn't even know it was there. So he's the one that low key made me check every single day. Because before I check in the week, I'm like, oh, this is what, and they threw it in. I had no idea. Getting cooked out there. It looked just like this, by the way. I'm sitting there trying to short or do whatever. Maybe I was trying to long it. And I remember getting up in the morning. And I'm like, this looks weird. Like the price action started like this, and I was like, that's weird, but I'm gonna still trade today. And then he's like midstream. I'm like, he's like, oh yeah, Trump speaks at like 10 minutes. I was like, what? Went and checked, and I was like, bruh, would have never traded before that. But yeah, but yeah, I think you remember that. That was last. It probably was a year ago at this point. I was doing that stuff, but all right, guys, I'll catch you guys. It was awful. 2 L's straight in a row. It looked just like this, by the way. Didn't change. Yeah, see, see, you remember that? Yeah. Hey guys, I've definitely changed from a year ago. Trust me. Like, I'm not even gonna tell you that. I'm not even gonna tell you, teacher. Don't say nothing. Don't say nothing. Don't even tell him what account that YouTube account was. Don't even say nothing. Y'all don't need to go back and watch those videos. I haven't deleted it. It's just for my personal growth to see where I went. But like, don't even go look that up. You probably won't find it, but yeah, you'll see a whole different person charts. Bad. It's all good though. We moved on. We moved on from that. So. But I'll catch you guys on Monday, and at like 9:20, I'll set up the stream and stuff. And again, if you're in the Discord and stuff, we can always pop on and shot. Yeah, game over. Cooked, super cooked. All right, guys. I'll catch you guys. Hope you guys have a great start to your day or great rest of your day wherever you guys are. Peace out. Catch you guys on Monday.